Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to join the Stripe pilot program. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, go check out the description section to sign up for your free trial of ClickFunnels today. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk through how to join the Stripe pilot program. And at Funnel Hacking Live, they announced that there's going to be a Stripe integration with ClickFunnels. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the left-hand side by apps, and we're going to click Add Apps. And then we're going to click Stripe. And then we're going to click Join the Pilot Program. Now it's going to take us to this screen right here where all you need to do is enter your ClickFunnels account email address and then click Join the Pilot Program. And then it's going to take us to this screen right here saying, congratulations, you're in. We'll be reaching out as the program opens up. In the meantime, log back into ClickFunnels and continue building your dreams. So we're now added to the Stripe pilot program waitlist. And once they give us more information, they'll contact us. So that's how you join the Stripe pilot program list. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and love to help you out.